Hitching up Buttercup. First you put the hitch in the truck, and then you have to put that little lock thing in there. Keep it in place and secure. Check it. Then if you're us, you pull Buttercup to the truck. Other people might back the truck to the Buttercup, but not us. Then you raise your little wheel till you get it high enough to go over the hitch ball. Sometimes that takes a while, depends on where you're sitting. Here in the driveway, it don't take too long. Whoop, about there. There we go. Then you lower it back down. Now make sure you go all the way. And sometimes you have to, well, he's checking that, but sometimes you have to push up on the little wheel to get it to go up where you can fold it back. Sometimes it won't raise all the way on its own. It stops moving, see? So you have to hold it. And then it'll move on up where you can push it back and secure it for the drive. Just make sure you get it all the way up. So you pull that little pin out and turn it, and it locks in place. And then you got to put your chains, hook them on in the little holes on the hitch thing there. He crosses his. I don't know if everybody does, but we cross ours. Then you got to hook up for your lights. For our new truck, we had to get an adapter because the plug didn't match, but you might just get the same kind of plugs. You put your lock back in that little thing there, and you're ready to go. Just make sure you move your wheel chocks out from under the tires and everything, and always check your turn signals and your brake lights on the trailer. And you're all hitched up.